Hello everyone, today we are going to perform the analysis of aspirin. We will perform the analysis of aspirin by phenolphthaline and its color. We will see the pink and white by two ingredients. So ingredients which we need in this practical are the sodium hydroxide, phenolphthaline, aspirin, distilled water, and this is the crushed aspirin. We have crushed this aspirin in mortar and pestle, that's the tablets. Now we are adding in this the distilled water 20 ml. Then we will make the solution of aspirin and distilled water. Now this is a solution of aspirin and distilled water. Now we will add in this solution the phenolphthaline drop by drop, 3 drops. Now we will mix this solution of aspirin, distilled water and phenolphthaline slowly and gradually. Now this is buret. We will rinse this buret by the help of sodium hydroxide solution this way. Now we'll put the solution under the buret and we will add the sodium hydroxide solution in this buret 50 ml. This way. Then after adding the sodium hydroxide solution into the buret 50 ml, then we will add drop by drop in this solution of aspirin, distilled water and phenolphthaline until its color changes into the pink color. So this way we will add drop by drop in this solution and we will gradually mix like this way the solution. Again we are adding the drops of sodium hydroxide solution until it turns into the pink color. It will indicate that aspirin is dominant. We will dissolve like this way, we will mix like this way and wait for the pink color, which will indicate that the phenolphthaline colors the sodium hydroxide solution the pink color, which is the basic medium. We will note down the first initial reading of the sodium hydroxide solution, which is the 50 ml, and after that we will indicate that final reading of this solution is we will note down that pink at which amount or at which point the pink color appears. Okay, so this is the pink color of the sodium hydroxide solution. Now we'll rinse this buret again with the help of HCl. Okay, now we will heat that solution of sodium hydroxide solution, aspirin, phenolphthaline and distilled water, and then we will heat this solution on the burner at this temperature. We will put first water and then we will pour the funnel in this water and we will cool it on the room temperature. Now we are adding the HCl into the buret and we will add drop by drop HCl into the solution of sodium hydroxide solution, aspirin, distilled water and phenolphthaline, which is the pink color. Now we add this HCl and show the colorless HCl, which means that the phenolphthaline shows the colorless in the HCl. So this is the final reading of sodium hydroxide and HCl. Thank you.